Hello, dear students. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fit, fine, and taking care of your health. So, welcome again in your class. Let's start our day with the second module of preposition. In previous video, we knew about position word behind, on, under, in front of, between, near, and in. So kids, do you know what are prepositions? Yes, prepositions are words that tell you where something is located or positioned. तो चलिए अब हम पोयम रिसाइट करते हैं और प्रीपोजिशन के थ्रू जानते हैं कि कौन सी चीज कहाँ पर है. And the poem is Where is it? So let's start the poem. Where is the monkey? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where is the bird? Where is it? Where is it? On the tree. On the tree. Where is the snake? Where is it? Where is it? Under the rock. Under the rock. In, on, under. Very good. Where is the ball? Where is it? Where is it? In the box. In the box. Where is the lamb? Where is it? Where is it? On the table. On the table. Where is the dog? Where is it? Where is it? Under the chair. Under the chair. In, on, under. Excellent. So kids, today we learn position on, in, under. On means होता है ऊपर, in means under और under means नीचे. So first word is on. Look at this picture. Where is the cat? अब आप बताइए कि cat कहाँ पर है? Yes, correct. The cat is on the pillow. तो यहाँ पे cat pillow के ऊपर है. On is a preposition. Next is, look at here. Where is the boy? Yes, the boy is on the bed. ये boy bed के ऊपर है. Next word is in. So look at this picture. Where are the eggs? Yes, the eggs are in the nest. Nest के अंदर है. तो यहाँ पे हम in का यूज किए हैं. Next word is under. So where is the boy? The boy is under the tree. Boy tree के नीचे है. There are some more examples. Look at this picture. The apple is on the book. अब यहाँ पे apple कहाँ पर है? Book के ऊपर है. तो यहाँ पे preposition word कौन सा है? That is on. Next sentence. The teddy is in the cupboard. तो यहाँ पे teddy cupboard के अंदर है. तो in is a preposition word. Next is, यहाँ पे देखिए rabbit कहाँ पर है? Rabbit पेड़ के नीचे है. तो यहाँ पे the sentence is the rabbit is under the tree. इसमें preposition word कौन सा है? Under. So kids, क्या आपको on, in और under का concept clear हो गया? I hope कि सभी को अच्छे से समझ में आ गया होगा. So it's time to check your knowledge through some questions. That is position word or preposition, and it's practice time. Here are the question. Where is Otto? Write in, on, under. Questions are, Otto is dash the chair. Next is, Flossie is dash the bed. नीचे देखिए, Flossie is dash the table. Next is, Otto is dash the bed. Last में, Otto is dash the cupboard. And last question, Flossie is dash the cupboard. आपको पिक्चर देख करके उसके पोजीशन को इन, ऑन, अंडर को फिल करना है. That's it for today. Have fun. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Thank you.